Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a network switch. First, unpack your new switch and locate the power adapter. Connect the power adapter to the switch and plug it into a wall outlet. Next, take an Ethernet cable and connect one end to your internet router or modem. The other end of this cable goes into the uplink port on your network switch. This port is often labeled or distinct from the others. Once your switch is powered on and connected to your router, you can begin connecting your devices. Use standard Ethernet cables to link your computers, gaming consoles, smart TVs, or other network-enabled devices to any of the remaining available ports on the switch. Make sure each cable clicks firmly into place to ensure a secure connection. The switch will automatically detect and provide network access to these connected devices. For more advanced network configurations, consider using a managed switch, which offers features like VLAN and quality of service. Regardless of your switch type, proper cable management is crucial. Use cable ties to keep your setup neat and improve airflow around the device. Always place your network switch in a well-ventilated area, away from direct heat sources, to prevent overheating and ensure optimal performance and longevity. If a device isn't connecting, first check all Ethernet cables to ensure they are securely plugged into both the device and the switch. Often, a simple restart of the switch and the connected device can resolve minor connectivity issues. If you encounter any persistent problems, consider restarting your entire network, including your modem and router, before contacting support. And speaking of valuable resources, if you're looking to deepen your understanding of personal finance, there's a fantastic book I highly recommend. Check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals and resources. It's a great way to invest in your financial future and gain valuable insights that extend beyond just network setup.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.